taste good and then it's ruined and get a raisin bite.
It is a unusual combination, raisin and chocolate.
Well, raisinettes are chocolate.
Oh, that's
raisins.
true.
I don't like raisins in things.
But you don't?
I do.
I like raisins.
I don't like them in things.
I don't like them in things. I like them alone.
I like currants in. I made for the party. I made this big rice thing with wild rice and whole
That was
grain
good.
rice and orange zest and a lot of parsley and toasted pine nuts and currants.
Ooh, that
And
sounds good.
it's really good. Really good combinations. But they're like little teeny,
Yeah.
they're so, I don't know, it's,
Little buddy. Look at your little buddy. He's congested, Blake.
Yeah, he has worms in his lungs.
if you had worms in your lungs, you'd be congested too.
How do you get the worms out of his lungs?
The medicine I give him every day.
I don't think it's working.
No, it's
Well,
not
he
working.
just got on it. And it was his first day.
How the hell did he get worms in his lungs? That's pretty gross.
Yeah. It's crawling in your lungs.
Ooh, cacaron.
Cacaron? Cacaron?
Just telling you what I know.
He's only 12 weeks. How do you get that condition?
Well, because he had kettle cough.
Kennel cough?
Kettle cough.
Is that from eating too much popcorn?
Like kettle corn?
Would they get him at Petco?
Aisle 6, Wegmans. Popcorn.
Are you videoing?
No.
Of course he is. Of course he is.
So what's your
So
cat's
we all
name?
like made. Oh, our cat, Ajax.
You didn't know that?
Ajax.
I think I did, but I couldn't remember it. What do you call him?
Ajax, or you know, in Romanian, like the when you call someone, like yell out someone's
Cat's name
you
is
say-
Ajax. They call him.
So I say Ajaxo or Ajaxole.
You know,
Like
in
the-
Romanian, in Romanian.
Well, every time I'm in Romania, that's what I do.
Cat's
Like
name is
you
Ajax. They
just would
call him
say, like-
Sylvester for short.
Like if someone's name was like Marius, I'd be like Mariusule, or maybe
You want to get down?
I'm just thinking.
You
It's like, I
wanna
think
get
it's the
down?
vocative.
Chester
tone.
Soleil.
Yeah. Chester or Chester. Chester. Chester Rosole.